Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a negative keyword to a Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a negative keyword to a Google Ad campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're paying for Google Ads, you know that sometimes your ad's going to get triggered for keywords that just aren't relevant. So it's good to add in negative keywords so your ad doesn't show up for something that's not relevant. An example of this is if I have a website that I'm promoting that's Portland, Oregon, but I keep getting searches for Portland, Maine, I definitely want to go ahead and add Maine as a negative keyword. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a negative keyword to a campaign, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see a few different options, but you want to click on this one here, audiences, keywords, and content. Once you do that, you want to click on keywords. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these four options right here. Go ahead and click on negative keyword. Okay, once you click there, you want to click on this blue plus icon right here. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So if you have a huge list of negative keywords, you can use this right. If you're going to be adding negative keywords one by one, you're going to use this left menu right here. Once you've chosen there, you get to choose, do you want to add the negative keyword to apply to the entire campaign? Or do you want to go ahead and apply it only to certain ad groups in that campaign? For me, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the entire campaign. Next, you're going to click here, select a campaign. Okay, so once you've chosen the campaign, you're going to go ahead and type in the negative keywords. So again, if this particular campaign is going after Portland, Oregon, it's not relevant to the state of Maine. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Maine. Once you're done, go ahead and scroll down and click on this blue save button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now that negative keyword has showed up for that campaign. So if that word shows up in the search terms for any of the users, it's not going to trigger an ad for that particular campaign. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a negative keyword to your Google Ads campaign, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.